The Ohio State Bar Association presents Law You Can Use. Stopping for fire trucks and ambulances with attorney Larry Bennett, Program Chair of Fire Science and Emergency Management at the University of Cincinnati, and Battalion Chief Doug Wiemeyer of the Deerfield Township Fire Department in Mason, Ohio. What should I do if an emergency vehicle is approaching me from behind?
The law requires you to pull to the right and stop. As someone who has driven fire trucks for many years, I ask that you either keep your foot on the brake or put a right signal on that tells me as the driver of the fire truck that you have pulled over to the right and you understand that you're yielding not only to me, but any other following apparatus, fire trucks or ambulances.
What if I'm turning left and I can't get over to the right?
If you can't go to the right, stop. Again, stop, have your brakes on, hit your hazard lights so we know that you're paying attention to us and you're not moving anywhere.
What happens when an emergency vehicle comes up from behind me while I'm stopped for a school bus?
As you're pulling over for that school bus and a fire truck comes and you wonder, why is that fire truck coming to a stop? It's because we're required to come to a stop until that school bus driver waves us by, and we're going to do it very cautiously.
Once the school bus takes care of their issues, turns the lights off, start waving people around, it's easy for you to think they're talking to you. There's still the fire truck there, and that's the next level. The emergency is behind you. Stop, wait till the fire truck passes through, give the school bus a chance to clear the intersection or clear the roadway, and then move about your way.
What should I do if there's a fire hose across the road?
Ohio law prohibits any person from driving over a fire hose. It's easy to look at a fire hose and think, hey, that's just a speed bump in the road. It's no different than a speed bump. The problem with that is when your vehicle goes over that hose, you're putting force back into our truck. It can actually break the hose. The hose can become damaged. A 5-inch hose has a lot of water in it, and that's moving around the ground with a lot of force. It would damage your vehicle. It's going to cause injury to our truck or damage to our truck and can injure our guys as well.
This has been Law You Can Use from the Ohio State Bar Association. More information on this and other legal topics are available at ohiobar.org.